kasih.
Then after that.
So I bring the English.
Percent. Both and 12 and 10%. This year they really make us proud. I cannot thank God enough for the blessing. Kapag nakabanta Jongi Barot, si Skul Auxilium School, nakabanta ka nag-result kapag irila ako, bati bahun lang. Kila ay kacing job, nang ba kacing Tracy Tom joki, mar kacing Trilang joki bangiru. Irila ako, the vice captain of the school, and bahun idei captain jong school. Pekine kilalong ki leader, sisa ki bala ay nuksa, nakabanta ki wegi Khynnah school. Kine ki arngot rila ako, bari bahun lang ki Tracy Tom. Ki Tracy Tom, ki bot, ya kacing snack, kacing kraw jongi, berkacing penilenti jongi, no hikai. But above all, the credit of success goes to them because they work so hard, they were so focused in their studies, they keep their best in all that they have to do. That's why, that's the secret of success. And I'm sure these two will grow, will flourish, will continue to experience success in their life. So well done to our two wonderful girls. And we wish them God's blessing. We wish them all the best. And I congratulate the parents also who work so hard, giving their best also in the studies of their children, and the teachers. Our teachers work so hard. Wonderful girls of us deserve this success because they work so hard. They were so focused in their studies and they're very sincere. They are intelligent, no doubt. But they don't depend much on their intelligence. They work so hard to achieve success. 99% is their perspiration, 1% inspiration. And they follow that mantra so well. I'm so proud of them. The school is proud of them, and we wish them all the best in their future life. I'm sure they'll become great. Rila ko lang, bahun lang.